Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay tutuloy natin ang ating series on linear functions, no? And sa video na to ay pag-uusapan naman natin kung ano ibig sabihin ng slope. Sa previous video, kung napanood din nyo ang the equation of the function y equals ax plus b, sabi natin ang a dito ay ang rate of change, no? Or the change in y. Change in y over the change in x, no? Change in x. Now, sa graph, ang ibig sabihin nito ay, for example, ito sa y equals to x plus 3, yung ating change in y over change in x dito, or yung ating rate of change, at yung a natin ay equal to 2, no? And sa graph, ang ibig sabihin ng change in y over change in x, this is the same as 2 over 1, di ba? Ibig sabihin, ang change 2 is the same as 2 over 1. Pag ang change in x mo ay isa, ang change in y mo ay dalawa, no? So here sa graph, if we take any point here, mas maganda siguro kung nandito yung point natin sa sa intersection ng graph para mas kita. If you move 1 unit to the right, yun yung change in x mo. Ganon din yung ating 2 yung ating change in y, kaya siya. So 2 over 1 is equal to 2, no? Also, if you take this point, if you move 1 unit to the right, you have to move 1 or 2 units up, no? Yung pinaka rate of change ng ating function. Of course, if we move 2 units to the right, ilang units pataas siya, no? Ilang units sa taas ang pwede nating i-move para masukat natin yung rate of change sa graph. So we have to move how many units? 4 units, no? Para nandito yung point natin. So 4, if the movement here is 4 and the movement here is 2, so still it's 4 over 2, no? 4 over 2 and still 2 yung kanyang rate of change, no? So ito yung ating rate of change, no? Ang ibig sabihin dito sa graph natin, ang ibig sabihin ng rate of change dito is yung slope ng graph. So rate of change or change in y over change in x, ang tawag also natin dyan is another name for it is the slope. Pag yung graph yung pinag-uusapan natin. What about here? Negative 2 siya. So pag dito ang slope niya ay negative 2, ibig sabihin pag nag-move tayo ng 1 unit to the right, pag negative siya, mag-move tayo ng 2 units down, ano? So 1 unit and then 2 units down. So pag up, pag nag-move ka ng right and then yung corresponding movement mo, upward movement mo ay pag ang corresponding movement may upward, that is a positive slope. But if you move to the right and the corresponding movement is down, ang slope niyan ay negative. Kaya siya naging negative 2x plus 5. Okay? So, kung maalala niyo sa previous video natin, ang b naman, no? Ito yung a, ibig sabihin ng a natin ay yun yung slope. At yung b natin ay yun yung ating y-intercept, no? So this is our y-intercept. So pwede na siguro tayo mag-generalize, no? Y-intercept, ibig sabihin ito yung ini-intersect niya na point sa y-axis, no? For example, this is positive 3, so ang ini-intersect na part ng y-axis is the point y equals 3, no? Or 0, 3, yung kanyang coordinates. And here naman ay 5 naman yung ini-intersect niya. Okay, so I guess that's it for this video. Ang siguro ang pinaka-generalization natin dito is in the graph, no? In the graph, y equals ax plus b, no? A is the slope, no? And b is the y-intercept. Okay, so that's it for today. Maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.